Mama commented. Of course you do. We had to familiarize and memorize all different kinds of rocks because we cannot answer normal recitation. Then there's Gen Math and Statistics and Probability with our dedicated teacher, Mrs. Hernandez. Oh, Mom Joy, we will never forget those recess 3 days after your lesson. And when we failed, we had to face the final round, and that was removal exam. Mrs. Dumayo is the mother of role play and debate activities for our subjects in creative nonfiction and creative writing, where we can share our thoughts about the social issues in our society. Mrs. Jenny Joan Rosales, the ever-beautiful mother who keeps reminding us about taking care of our future. Her words of guidance in the subject of introduction, the philosophy of the human person. It was words of wisdom with Mrs. Sheen Cuevas and her unforgettable moments in our practical usage as we always beg her to extend the deadline of our outputs. Ma'am Vicente, who was more than willing to be patient with the students, had the compassion to teach every student she handled with the knowledge and skills she can ever pass. And our Sir Gajala, who was like the father in the whole senior high school department, very